Hello and welcome to another video about the Tesla Model 3 at a traditional car show. In this slideshow, you'll see the excitement of kids and adults who had the opportunity to see a Tesla Model 3 up close and even sit behind the wheel. Many of the visitors are aspiring owners who now have an opportunity to ask questions and receive factual answers. This experience meant a lot to them. Also, for letting me take their picture, I reward them with a Tesla logo shaped key fob. If I have a young visitor with extra knowledge and excitement for Tesla, I will reward them with a die-cast Tesla model. Also in the video, you will see I have set up a short video for visitors to view. They can see what it is like to ride in a self-driving Tesla from a passenger's perspective. Lastly, I have several non-Tesla die-cast cars on display in the frunk. If someone owns the real one, the die-cast model is given to them for free. I hope by watching this slideshow, you'll get a sense of the impact that seeing a Tesla Model 3 can have on people.
that well this season. There's a lot of white room back there.
Yeah, there is a lot of white clothes.
There you go, Brett.
Nothing like that.
Well, my mom used to always say, oh, that's beautiful stuff.
It's very similar looking to the 32.4.
That's cool, man.
Water in there.
So I'm using this here. Oh, I just drowned myself, but I looked at the camera on my phone.
Keep it up there.
I lost the race already. I gave up.